a video with this big baby right here. What are you doing? You're just sitting here looking so cute. Whoa, you doing I love you. Alright, so this is my room tour. As you can see, it's pretty freaking nice in here, bruh. It's pretty nice in here. What are you doing? Got the guitar, got a little painting, Put the balloons, you got the balloons. Spoonies. Alright, and then we got this classical Mexican guitar. It's a very beautiful Mexican guitar. Mahogany wood for like $300. All my hats. I got a squirrel blanket. Squirtle. Got all these cars. You know what I mean? Got all these. Look at all this. Look at all this, man. We got some cool ass stuff here. Look, we got anime Yu-Gi-Oh card. We got this little joint right here. Dude. See, there's a little bit of dust on it. Yeah, we got this little joint right here, to make it as nice as possible, And yeah, and those are all my cars, and I got some more up here. They're actually life size. Not life size, but yeah. Then I got Bakugans. It's filled up with Bakugan in there too. Not just Pokemon cards. I got Rose, E&J, 6th grade. That's how I looked in 6th grade. Homie Joseph. Recorder, trophies, cactus. Yeah, little cactus right here. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you this cactus right here. I'll show you this cactus. Boom, cactus. Yeah, there's pictures of me. This is my computer. So you got a little arcade, got the Charmander. It's a very sexy room. I love this room. Yeah. Pokeball. So hey, I got a new Xbox controller. These are my Wii games. Look at my Wii games. I got Wii Sports. My Sims is top notch. It really is. Endless Ocean's top notch too. Super Mario Bros. Endless Ocean yet again. Best underwater diving simulator to this day. On any system. Got more of My Sims. This game is hella fun. It's like a shooter. With like you're at the arcade or something. You get one of these, it feels like you're just at the arcade. Jurassic the Hunted, Mario Party 8, Pokemon Bower Evolution. The best games, the best. These are all my PS4 games. Got a bunch of cool games there. Got even more cool games outside. I got PS4. Nintendo Switch, Mario Kart, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hat, my Boba Fett hat. This hat's really dope. We'll get you females. Stop the mandates. We will not comply. Stop the vaccine mandates. Pfizer has the top criminal fine in American history. You can Google that right on the official government website. I repeat, Pfizer Vaccines has the top criminal fine in American history. Certified criminals giving medicine to everybody. Think about that. You can look that up on the official government website where it says that they have been convicted of fraud. You can look that up. So if you still trust the vaccines, you are legitimately crazy. All right. Anyways, yeah, this was a good room tour. You know, I got my art right here. I draw my friends. I got my Pokemon cards. I'm wondering if debating if I should show that in the next video. If I should show it here. But I guess I'll show it to you. So I'm gonna take this stuff real quick. Oh yes, a pig. I forgot to show you. Look at this pig. I got it from Hawaii. Alright. Here. Alright. She's like, what is that? What are you putting that in my face? Alright. So, this is art. This is art from 6th grade, particularly. My dad drew this of me. He thinks he calls me a big black bass at sea all the time, a big bass at sea. And he draws these pictures of me, and he says I'm a freaking bass that wears a fedora. He says I'm a bass that wears a fedora, so he just trolls me and draws these pictures of me, slips them under my door. And he says, you're a bass. I'm like, and then I go beat him up, you know, I go beat his ass. Anyways, Illuminati drawing. These are my cool drawings right here. I got a Lil Peep. You know what I mean? I got my Boo News. My cat I just showed you. Looks just like her. I got my friend Ramel. I drew this of him while he was just chilling. I got Bape. Bapeka. I got a Mustang. Still drawing my Mustang. You know what I mean? You know. Yeah, this is important that I show all my fans. This is important. This is important that I show everybody all my cards. You know, you got a Snorlax. You already know. You got a Lucario. You already know. You got all this OP stuff right here. You know, you got Dark Dragonite. Man, you got a lot of good cards here, man. You got your Lucarios, you got your Pikachus. You know what I mean? You got your, you know, prime cards, you know what I mean? You got some cool cards up in here. Yeah, you got some cool cards up in here, boy. Alright, I got Mewtwo. And I just got some new cards the other day. I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna show you guys what I got.
I need to make it back from in there, okay?
Okay. Give me a second. Alright, so this is a card I just got. I got a Mewtwo and I got a Dragonite today. And I got it from that Pokeball you saw in my room. Okay, have a good day. Peace out. Stay up. Swagger.